Hey, Dan Long here, Northern View Outdoors, back again here on the water, and we're out here on Hoover this time. Brought Clint back with me. Well, Clint back with me, so he could try to, beat me again on here with his magic worm concoction that he uses. So, of course, you using worms again on me?
On one pool, I am definitely using worms. The other pool, we got some big prick chubs me and my kid caught today out of the Wakatomica.
And of course, I'm fishing out of here using some shad pieces and some chicken breasts. So, well, enough of me talking. Let's catch the fish.
Ain't very big.
Well, it's a fish. Took us long enough, but at least we did get skunked.
There's skunk sandwich today. He is a little guy. He's active. Hey. All right. Got the skunk off. All right. There you go, thing.
Yeah, he's even talking to you.
Got a lot to say. Got my gear all wrapped up here from the rain. Definitely hit the shit out of it. Holy moly.
He definitely wanted that one. Pretty fryer.
You're gonna quit bringing me fishing.
It's all fun. Hopefully I'm next.
You're next.
That's what we said last time too.
Yeah, something going on here, man.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Make it better than that. There we go. You too?
Double.
Nice.
Oh, I lost him.
Did you really?
Oh, he's running right at me. Oh,
Come on.
oh, I can turn on. Right there, baby. Another little one. Yeah.
Oh my God. Mine's a real dink.
Oh, dang. Only dinks. We'll take them though.
Let you get yours first.
Pretty.
I think yours could eat mine.
Okay. Nice little picture. Boo, boo, boo. We're gonna put him back. I'll take this.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, look at the sardine that I cut.
Okay. It's better than a skunk.
Definitely.
So, my lighting's not good.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
There it is. Little skunkaroo.
All right. Everybody's on the board now.
About time.
About time. What is it? 1 o'clock?
It's almost about 5 till.
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh.
About the same size. Ooh, he started to fight there for a second. They're all the same size. Damn. They're pretty though. Look at it.
Yeah, that's a there's the blue. It's a nice one. Well, at least we're catching something finally. Is that what you say? He's telling, watch all of our other videos. Fish plug.
Fishing plug.
I'm going to have to reel that one in and see if he took my shad, because it ain't flopping no more.
It ain't flopping no more, man. I thought you had it on. Definitely ain't gonna make up for the one I missed, I can tell you that. Take about 4 of these.
Well, at least it's fish in the boat.
Circle hook. It gets right a hold of them.
Yeah.
Don't buy them cheap hooks. You'll regret it.
Yeah.
Trust me. You'll regret it. A little better one.
Yeah.
You don't want to talk. You don't have nothing to say. All right. Another one in the boat. I'm not as mad right now for missing that big one. I guess that helped a little.
Yeah, unfortunately we probably can't view that clip because of...
It's a little explicit.
just a little.
It may have some explicit lyrics.